The deadline for registration of adult care home workers is October 2022. It's a legal requirement for all workers to register by this date. Employers are essential to the registration process, responsible for verifying and endorsing applications. But you're not alone. We can work with you to help your staff to register. We will hold group events where your staff can apply to register on SCW Online while receiving guidance and support from the registration team. These are called registration surgeries. This video will help you to run your own surgeries, if needed, or to prepare for any surgeries run by us. It's important that your staff read the Code of Practice and practice guidance on our website before the surgeries. To apply to register, everyone must create an account in SCW Online using a personal email address which they have regular access to. This email address will be our main form of contact for the registration. To apply to register, everyone will need to have some information to hand, including qualification certificate, job details, address, title, start date, employment history for the last 5 years, bank details to set up a direct debit or a credit/debit card to pay the application fee, the date of their most recent DBS check. It should be within the last 3 years. Applicants will be reminded of this on the Before You Start page within the application. Applicants will nominate a signatory from your organisation to endorse their application. Signatories will receive email requests to review and endorse applications in SCW Online. It's important that you have enough signatories to manage endorsement requests. You'll need to endorse applications in your own SCW Online account and respond to our request for information as quickly as possible. You'll need to let us know of any health, criminal offences, or disciplinary matters relating to applicants, as we may need to ask for some more information. For more information on how we can support you or request a registration surgery, please email inquiries@socialcare.wales.